I don't know if you can see this right now. Behind me is the Narragansett Bay, and we are doing a home tour in a cute little cape by the ocean today. So I'm pretty excited. I wanted you to see this tour because Carrie, my friend, has this really cute way of decorating without spending money. And she doesn't go into the trendy, and she doesn't go buy everything that's on season. She uses a lot of the same things every year, but her house always looks different and always looks really cute. So you don't have to spend a lot of money to decorate beautifully, and Carrie is a perfect example. So let's go visit her now. Oh my goodness, this doorway looks so adorable. Check this out. I love it. This is so cute. Hi!
Come on in. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thanks for having us. Hello, Lucy. Oh, are you decorated for Christmas too? Hello, baby girl. Yes, you're so pretty. Yes. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Well, I guess we should just panning through here. It's so clean. Empty nest here. Nice. Beautiful. All right, well, let's start right over here by the tree. Tell me about this tree. I know that we are by the beach, and you wanted to do a beach theme this year.
A little beachy theme. It's there's some sand dollars and some starfish, some birdie stuff, and some glass. Lots of shiny brights.
You love shiny brights, right?
I like shiny and glittery, and some. I still put my old Christmas hymns in there that I made. I just rolled up old Christmas hymns out of a hymn book and then dipped them in glitter.
Oh, wow. That's so cool.
I've been dragging those around for years.
Really? They look like horns.
Yeah, so they're just stuck in here in different places.
Like the songs come right out of the tree.
Yeah. A little bird star on the top.
Oh, that's cute. Really cute. It's a nice tree too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a little Santa on the ground.
We already did our Christmas, so all Christmas gifts.
And what do we have over here?
So that's a paper village. I've had for some of them are paper villages. I've got the one church that lights up.
Okay. So is this paper village made of paper?
Oh, they're all paper. This one's paper, this one's paper, this one's paper.
Where do you find a paper village?
I've had these, my mom gave me these like a lot of years ago.
Oh, neat. And are the trees old too? All those.
They're a mixture of old
Okay.
and new. The pink one's old.
That was really
When you look
cute.
on Etsy or eBay and look up paper villages, people want a lot of money for the old ones.
I'm sure. And this is cute, your little all is calm, all is bright sign. So I'm assuming that's two pieces, that's not
Yeah, that's
just
two
one
pieces. I
thing.
hang different stuff up there all the time on top of the fence.
Okay.
That fence is from an old craft project from the 90s.
And you've probably painted it a number of
It's
times.
been orange, it's been yellow, it's been white.
Wow.
It's had a crow and a sunflower on it. So I put wreaths or stars or...
That really looks cute. And then I know that you got this fireplace that you picked up on Craigslist?
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, Facebook Marketplace.
Facebook Marketplace.
Mm-hmm.
And it's nice and big. And it was wood, wasn't it? And you painted
Yeah,
it.
was brown wood and then
Yeah.
I painted it.
Right. All right, I like to show everybody how you merchandise a shelf because you've got a great variety of items. You don't want things to look symmetrical.
Yeah, so I just cram stuff in there.
So she crams stuff in and look how beautiful it
And
looks.
I'll change it. Like I'll walk over there. I'm like, I don't like that there.
Uh-huh.
And I'll move it.
And you'll move it. And you just keep moving things. Really cute. I know that you had this sign made at Smallwoods because it's your favorite verse. Isn't that neat that you can make your own signs like that? Oh, what are these cute little dancing angelic things?
My mom gives me one of those every year.
Your mom gives you one every year?
She actually gets them at an office party, and the wife of the owner of the company gives one to everyone, and then Mom has had so many over the years that she gives them away.
Wow. Oh, look at the joy pillow. It's so ocean. That's adorable. Where'd you get
I got
that?
that before I moved here. My friend Dana gave it to me.
No way.
Isabel Bloom angels.
Isabel
And they're
Bloom.
collector's items.
Okay.
I don't necessarily collect them, but I have some by default.
Yes. They look cute in that wreath. Just kind of ties them all together. Like, who would think of doing that? Looks like they're dancing in a circle. I love this. I want you to talk about this a little bit because this is really great.
It's just a frame that was on clearance at Hobby Lobby.
Uh-huh.
It was damaged,
Uh-huh.
so I got it for on the cheap.
Yep.
And then I just strung jute through there
Yep.
and hung my favorite people up there.
That is so cool. Cute Carrie. Mercury glass.
And then these are I got some nasty sweaters from Savers, and I cut off the sleeves and I put them on here.
What a great
So they look like
idea.
little sweater candles.
They do. You thrifted the sweaters, cut off the sleeves, and put them on the mercury glass. That is such a great tip. Now,
Actually, this one was just a top, and so I cut the top up. I actually made the ribbon that I hung my wreath on the window too. That's just the that's just part of that top. I just
no
put
way.
a strip of it.
That is so cool. That's very
You know
clever.
I'm as cheap as they come.
I know you are. And yet you make it look so good. Did they come as one unit?
Yeah, they're all connected.
Okay, all right. Really cute. Oh, these are cute, all these little things. It's nice you have such a big window sill here. Cute stuff that you've just gathered here and there.
Yeah.
And up here, Carrie is known for her tea towel collection. These are adorable, and you probably have a million Christmas ones.
Yeah, it's
even.
a very small window. I can't even put them all out.
How did you ever decide which ones to put out?
I just do something different every year.
Okay.
I went with these colors this year.
Cute. Just got a little coffee bar. Very simple.
Very.
And yet very beautiful. With that light in the back just to lighten it up. And we have this adorable garland. So Carrie didn't decorate the top up here. She didn't really have time and she didn't have the energy for it. And yet this garland, I think, makes the whole shelf. So tell me about this garland.
It's just painted styrofoam balls.
These are painted styrofoam balls. They look like shiny brights or something, or vintage ornaments. Nothing, huh?
Yeah, just paint.
I think we could totally make them, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Really cute. Coming into the dining room. Your table is big, girl.
Yeah, we had a party, so we have 2 things in it. It'll be small, a little bit.
This is cute.
It's just a bunch of stuff. a reindeer in there. Bunch of ornaments. A candlestick.
Carrie just throws things in and it looks beautiful, magical. It's all these vignettes. I think that's what really, makes your house, is all these cute little vignettes.
And people said, how'd you get that wreath on there? I'm like, I cut it with a wire cutter and then just put it on there. I didn't disassemble the chandelier.
No, no, absolutely not. I used a garland and it looks like a wreath. This is my favorite. I love this tree. This is so cute. So you've got it in a little bowl, and then kind of a tool.
Yeah, I just kind of wrapped it up around the base and stuck it in there.
Then you have your Shiny Bright collection.
My Shiny Bright collection.
That's so cool. Did this come from your mother too? Or did you?
Yeah, she's given me a lot of them. They just come in these little cardboard boxes that she gets different places. It'll say 25 cents on them. You know, that someone paid for that whole box back in the day. So yeah.
And how about this little guy?
Yeah, I've had that for a long time. I just stick them in some snow.
How do you get the snow?
It's just that stuff that you buy in a little plastic, and I mix it with Epsom salts because it stretches it out further. The snow stuff is a little bit pricier than Epsom salt, so I just mix the glittery stuff with Epsom salt. And I've had this for a long time.
Oh, that's
a little tchotchke.
Wow.
It's the paper cone with stuff in it.
It's amazing. That was really interesting. And then it all shines in this beautiful mirror. Wow. How did you learn to decorate?
Oh, probably a lot I got from my mom.
Really? Does she have a really nice touch too?
Yeah, my mom has a really neat touch.
Okay.
So, and then just whatever I picked up along the way.
So how do you know what to pick up?
I don't know. I think you just kind of get in a zone of things that you like.
All right.
I find things that I like, and they don't always all go together. I kind of call it early American college.
Early American college.
It's just all together.
Okay.
Because I like a little bit of shiny. I like a little bit of primitive. But I'm not farmhouse. I'm not primitive. I have some primitives. I love antiques and I like shiny stuff. I don't know.
And you just mix it all together.
It's just all me.
Now I have the same problem. I'm very.
I haven't honed in this is my decorating style.
Right.
It always changes.
Yeah.
It's fluid.
Yeah, it's fluid. But that's okay because you're expressing yourself.
Right.
You're not a magazine. You're expressing yourself.
But I might see something in a magazine. I'm like, oh, I like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So.
I love it. So I loved your tips, about covering the picture, and I love the tip about the Epsom salt in the little shiny, bright little snowflakes. Give me another tip.
I don't know. I tear stuff up a lot. I tear up those sweaters, and I just find something that looks sort of grungy, and then I'll put it somewhere.
So you just don't care if you destroy other things.
No,
if you're
I just repurpose things.
You repurpose, yes.
I like to repurpose things.
Yeah, you're really good at that. Well, Carrie, thank you so much for letting us come to your house and pick your brain. It's really beautiful.
Thanks for coming to my little coastal Christmas home.
Well, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.